Hi friends, I am Rijo. Today we are just plan to cover the topic Microsoft Intune line of business app configuration. So you already know Microsoft Intune will be support for the deployment of application. You can use different method. So one of this method is line of business. We will discuss for here. So what is a learning objective today we are plan to cover? Introduction of line of business apps and demo line of business apps. So we will do one demo and we will discuss what is the line of business application. So we will go for our learning objective. Now we discuss for the line of business app. So custom or in-house developed application that are specially designed to address a particular business need. So now we will discuss custom or in-house developed application. Example, in your company or organization, you have a custom application like inventory control. So you want to deploy this application for some particular department, example sales department. So what you needed to host this application through Microsoft Intune portal. Then you need to deploy all the computer who using for the sales department. So we can use for the line of business app deployment method. So what is the extension support for the line of business app? MSI, APXI and apps bundle, MSIX and .MSIX bundle. So this all extension will be support for the line of business apps. So the maximum size of limit for the 8 GB per app. So each application, the maximum size will be 8 GB. Very important, 8 GB per app. So one app only 8 GB. If more than 8 GB, it does not support. So LOB app does not support for the dependency and super dependency. Line of business application lab. So we will do for one demo so you can easily understand. So what we are planning, Google Chrome add in the Intune portal. So how we can add the Google Chrome installed in the Intune portal using line of business application. So we will go for our Intune portal now. Then we will show you how we can do this configuration. So now I reach our Intune portal. So we are plan to install the Google Chrome line of business application method. So just we will go for the apps. Then you can see here you need to choose your platform. By platform we choose for the Windows. Just click the Windows. So here you have the option for the art. Just click art. So here you can see the app type. For whatever the app type, Microsoft Store, Windows 365 app, Microsoft Edge version, web application link. So other you can check line of business application and Windows app Win32. So first we will go for the line of business application. So just click line of business. So here you can see line of business app, the supporting version MSI, APX bundle, MSIX and MSI bundle. So we will plan to install first .MSI. Okay. So just we will select for the MSI. So we need to select the package. So I just plan to install for Google Chrome. Just I will go to Google Chrome. Then you type Google Chrome MSI. Then you can see enterprise bounce download for the Windows and Mac. Then here you can see, you can see the download Chrome. So here you need to check stable MSI X 64-bit or 32, whatever the architecture you select it. I just for X 64-bit. So now the application is downloading. Now the download completed. So after that we just go for again our Intune portal. Then we need to check the package, select the package, just go to the download. Then here you can see Google Chrome X64. Previously we download. Just select that one. Then click open. So here you can see name Google Chrome, platform Windows, size 8 and ma'am no, executable permissions. Just click OK. Here you can see name Google Chrome, description also coming, publisher. You need to put publisher Google. App installation context, device level. And ignore the app version. Yes, if you don't want to ignore the version, just command line argument. If you need to give the command line argument, you can give. Currently I skip this one, and you need to select your category. If you need to choose, you can choose your category. So I just choose any productivity, business development. Just go for the business. Then whatever the category you want, you can select it, and information you are and privacy you want to enter everything details, but this is not a mandatory. But when you develop, you should be enter all the details. Then you need to select your image. Just go, we will check any Google Chrome is there, then we will select that app, then open it. Then after that we just click OK, then click next. Here you need to assignment for which device need to install this application. So we just go for the group. So I already created one group previously, so just go for the group. So here you can see app device group. I just choose app device group, then select. So now the required assignment here is available for the environment. You can choose the enrollment device, and if you uninstall also, you can choose the Chrome is not installed for the device also, you can choose uninstall also. Then you just click next, and here you can see all the configuration will be again the review. Then after that you just click create. Now your application is uploaded in the Intune portal. After that this application will be installed in your group level device. Okay, so I just show you the group level devices previously I created. Just to go for the group, then here you can see app device group. See, and desktop F5GPAGR. So this is the device, the part of this group, app group. So who user using this device, you can click this one, then you can see the user. The user owner is Linda Holva. The Lydia Holva is using for this device. So that device will be installed our Chrome application. So currently the Chrome application is uploading. It take little bit time. So now just I will go for the Lydia Holva computer. So this one Lydia Holva PC. So just I will open. So now the device will be open. We just click Chrome. Currently there no any installation of the Chrome application. You just go for the control panel, uninstall program. So here you can see we don't have any Chrome application until now not installed. So we just go to check the application upload is completed in our portal. Application still is uploading in on progress, 59% only completed. So I just pause my video. Once it's completed, after upload is completed, we will come back again. The upload is almost completed. We just waiting for the notification. Now the Google Chrome upload is finished. We just go for our apps, then go for Windows. So here you can see Google Chrome Windows MSI installation is completed. So after that you just click this one. So after upload completed, you can see here you will get the dashboard for the device status and the application installation status. So currently still not installed the application. So if you want installation, you can see here installed or not installed, failed or installed pending. All the details you can see here. And here so device installation status and user installation status. So here you can see the name UPN failure install or pending. Okay, so if you need to edit any property for that application, just click the property. You can edit for the assignment level. You can add the again any groups, or you want to uninstall, you can add the uninstallation group, and also you can edit the app information also. So currently our application is already uploaded. It's now processing. So just I will go for the our device Intune. Then we just put the synchronization. Lydia PC is this. So we just click. Just I will put the synchronization. So the desktop is synchronization. To check again, just go to Google Chrome application. Then here you can see now the status, device status changed. The status is 1, installation is pending. So the installation is ongoing on, still the installation is pending. So just we click the device installation status. So here you can see the installation status is pending. So after completed, its will be status will be changed installed. So we just waiting for the installation completed. So just I will pause again the video. Once it finish, we will come back. So now we will refresh again. See, now the status is changed. The status is installed. So we just go for the overview. So here you can see the status is install completed. So now we will go for the Lydia computer. So we will check the Google Chrome install or no. So now we will open the Lydia PC again. You can see your Google Chrome is installed here. So previously we not installed the Google Chrome. Now you can see here the installation is completed. So just we will go for our control panel. So uninstall program. So here you can see your Google Chrome is installed, already completed. So now you understand how we can install the line of business application in our Intune portal. So now I wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.